आप सुन रहे हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साई न्यूज में ऑडियो बुलेटिन।
You are listening the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from Preeti Bhosle on 7th August 2020. Now here is the news of COVID. The country has increased the number by 6,07,384 and recovered cases are 1,37,805. Now state-wise scenario, Maharashtra is still showing a high number, that is 1,46,612 and recovered cases are 31,675. In Tamil Nadu, total COVID cases are 53,486 and recovered cases are 2,21,087. In Andhra Pradesh, total COVID cases 82,166 and recovered cases are 1,12,870. In Karnataka, total COVID cases are 75,076 and recovered cases are 80,281. In Delhi, total COVID cases are 10,348 and recovered cases are 1,27,124. In Maharashtra, total COVID cases are 8,716 and recovered cases are 26,902. Now, here is a top headlines are: country's first Kisan special parcel train to run from the today to provide a seamless supply for the perishable products. National Handloom Day being the observed today. In Sri Lanka, ruling party led by the Prime Minister Mahinda Rajapaksa registered the landslide victory in the parliamentary election. Manipur extended complete lockdown till the 15th August amid rise for COVID-19 cases. Formed Jammu Kashmir Lieutenant Governor Girish Chandra Murmu to be the new Comptroller and the Auditor General of India. Prime Minister Narendra Modi to deliver the inaugural address the conclave on the transformational reforms in the higher education under the National Education Policy today. Now news in detail. A mega hackathon will be organized today where the top finalists select under the Atmanirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge across the country will be the showcase their apps. The mega hackathon will be the streamlined live from the 12 noon to 5 p.m. in a social media platform of MyGov India. Digital India. The Atmanirbhar Bharat App Innovation Challenge was launched by the Prime Minister Narendra Modi on the 4th of the last month. We saw the participation from the 6,940 tech entrepreneurs and the stand-ups across the country. The mega challenge had two entries for the 9 different countries, namely business, e-learning, entertainment, games, health, news, office and work from home and other social. The country's the first Kisan special parcel train for the Kisan Rail will be started from today and the train will be start at 11 a.m. and it will be transport the material between Maharashtra, Devali to Bihar, Danapur railway station. The Kisan Rail will be carry the foods, vegetable and will be the make the stoppage for the several station and the pick up and delivery them. Agriculture Minister Narendra Singh Tomar and the Railway Minister Piyush Goyal will be the flag off for the train through the video link and the train is scheduled to reach the destination Danapur tomorrow at 6:45 p.m. The center has initiated a Jal Jeevan mission to provide the safe and the adequate drinking water to every rural household from the country by the 2024 with the motto Har Ghar Jal. To achieve the goal, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi created a new Jal Shakti ministry last year in his second term. The Ministry of the Jal Shakti has been implementing the mission partnership with the state with an aim to provide the potable water with the adequate quality of prescribed quality through the connections to very rural household in country. There are 19 crore households in India and only the 24% have the freshwater household tap connection under the Jal Jeevan Mission. The focus of 256 water street and district and 1592 water street blocks. The RBI has announced a loan for the restricting the window for the window for the corporates following demands and the bankers and the industry. RBI Governor Mr. S. Das said the announcement yesterday last week, and Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has said that the government is working with the RBI on need for the restructuring for the loan to help the industry tide over the impact of COVID-19. Reserve Bank of India has barred bank from the opening the current account for the customers who have the alive the cash credit and overdraft the facilities with the view to improve the credit discipline. RBI Governor A. Shaktikant Das has said the banking system will be moved to the positive play the practice and the check transaction for the curb funds. Under the positive pay the system, the customer who issue the check clicks a picture of the check before handing it over to the beneficiaries and upload the same on the bank's mobile application. He said the limit for the 50,000 rupees will be covered the approximately 20% of transaction by the volume and the 80% by the value. RBI Governor said the operational guideline for the which will be the issued soon. National Handloom Day is being organized today by the Ministry of the Textile and the virtual platform. Textile Minister Smriti Irani will be the chief guest of the occasion during the function handloom cluster across the NFIT campus and all the 28 Weaver Service Center, National Handloom Development Corporation and other will be connected online. 7th August was the chosen as a National Handloom Day for the commemorate and the Swadeshi movement, which was launched on the same date in a year of 1905. Objective for the generate the awareness about the handloom industry among the public, and it is the contribution to the socio-economic development. In Madhya Pradesh, the Handloom and the Handicraft Development Corporation is organized the various programs in the 17 Weavers cluster in the state. On the National Handloom Day today, on the occasion, the 36 showrooms of the state, the famous brand, and will also launched. The Manipur State Cabinet meeting held the last evening and decided the extent for the ongoing statewide complete lockdown and curfew till the 15th August in the view of the rising the COVID-19 cases in the state. The recently the affected 8 people are the suspected to have been the infected through the local transmission. The statewide lockdown and the curfew commenced from the 23rd of the July till today. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh led the cabinet meeting throughout discussed the COVID-19 pandemic, the state and the measure requirement to contain the spread of the various infection. The meeting decided to extend the complete lockdown till the 15th August. Health Ministry has said that India has a significant ramped up the diagnostic lab network. It said the high number of the testing will be push the positive rate initiatively. But as the Delhi experience has the amply shown, will the eventually lower will be the combined with other measure. The ministry said it is to the credit for the granted and collaborative efforts for the central and the state and the union territories to widespread the testing has enabled more than the 6 lakh tests daily for the 3 days in a row. The Chhattisgarh government has been instructed and ensure immediately testing of COVID-19 suspected patient coming to the private clinic, nursing homes and hospital for the treatment. The Health Secretary N.B. Singh has written the letter to the chairman of the Indian Medical Association of the Chhattisgarh unit asking them for the ensure immediately testing of the COVID-19 suspected patient undergo the treatment in the private hospital so as identify for the coronavirus positive patient. In a case they are found for the COVID positive and they should be referred to the COVID hospital. Instruction have been issued that if any patient in the hospital is tested the positive for COVID-19, then the hospital should be disinfected as per the guideline of the central government, Indian Council of the Medical Research, ICMR and state government to reopen after the 24 hours. Gujarat record 1,034 new corona cases in the last 24 hours according to the state health department. The recovery rate improving further the 74.21 presently. The Maharashtra government has announced the partnership with the Google for the introducing the digital education tools in the school across the state. It will be the enable the 2.3 crore students and teachers to access the technology and the chance for blended the learning programs for the combined classroom approach with the online learning. Speaking with the virtual launch of the partnership, Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray has said the Maharashtra is the first state for the country to launch the G Suite for the education and the Google Classroom. He requests to Google to help us there for technology to work from home. Maharashtra, after the 3 days heavy downpour rainfall have been the gradually decrease and the Mumbai other coastal areas of the state. However, the gusty winds have been blowing in the state with the wind speed reaching up to the 60 to 70 per km/h. In Bihar, the flood continue in a wreak havoc in the state. More than the 70 lakhs people across over the 16 districts are reeling under the flood. Rail traffic remained suspended or the Darbhanga and the Samastipur rail section of East Central Railway. Flood water is also posing the threat to the Sitamarhi, Darbhanga and the Saharsa Manasi rail section. The power supply has been distributed for the many flood affected areas. You were listening to the national level audio bulletin of the Samachar Agency of India from 8 on the 7th August 2020. We will be take same bulletin on the 8th August 2020. If you like this bulletin, then you must be like it, subscribe and share it. Till then, goodbye.
आइए हम आपको बताते हैं समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को आपको किस तरह सब्सक्राइब करना है। समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया के चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करने के लिए आप सबसे पहले ब्राउज़र खोलिए या तो आपके पास यूट्यूब होगा, यूट्यूब को खोलिए। यूट्यूब में आप सर्च करिए, सर्च बटन पर टाइप कीजिए LIMTY स्पेस दीजिए KHARE। जैसे ही आप ये करते हैं ये आपके सामने खुल जाएगा। इसके खुलने के बाद आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर साई SAI आपको ये दिखाई दे रहा है। लाल रंग का जो बटन आपको ये दिख रहा है लाल रंग का, इसको आप क्लिक करिएगा। जैसे ही आप इसको क्लिक करते हैं इसका रंग लाल नहीं रह जाएगा। इसके बाद दाएं कोने पर जाइए, दाएं कोने पर ऑल पर्सनलाइज नन, इसमें आप ऑल को क्लिक कर दीजिए। जैसे ही आप ऑल पर्सनलाइज बटन को प्रेस करेंगे, ऑल बटन दबाएं। जैसे ही आप ऑल बटन दबाते हैं आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर देते हैं। इसके बाद आप देखेंगे यहाँ पर सब्सक्राइब वाला बटन आपको लाल नहीं दिखाई देगा। आप सब्सक्राइब समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की साइन न्यूज़ या समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया को सब्सक्राइब करते जैसे ही आप करेंगे, उसके बाद समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया और साइन न्यूज़ पर जैसे जैसे वीडियोस अपलोड होंगे वैसे ही बिना देर के आपको ये सारे वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशंस आने चालू हो जाएंगे। आप समाचार एजेंसी ऑफ इंडिया की सारे वीडियोस देख सकेंगे। आप इसका लाभ ज़रूर उठाइए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और दोस्तों को कहिए वे भी सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करिए, शेयर करिए। नमस्कार।